In today's adventure, we explored the stunning Mount Bumbogo, one of Kigali's most beautiful destinations for hiking, outdoor activities, and breathtaking scenery. Throughout the hike, we enjoyed amazing views, great conversation, positive energy, and the refreshing escape from the busy pace of city life. Whether you are a fitness enthusiast, a traveler exploring Rwanda, Mount Bumbogo is a destination worth visiting. Have you ever visited Mount Bumbogo? Let me know your experience in the comments.
You want to be dramatic, man? Okay, try, man. Try. You got it, man.
Come on, taxi. Come on. You're using the phone to scare.
Thank you. Okay, drive car. Okay. Woo. Woo. Woo.
I put it down.
No, please.